Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
First of all, good morning to my all staff. My name is Siddharth Padtare. I am from Department Electrical Engineering. So we are going to see the PPT of CNE subject. Our topic is collecting the specification from different manufacturers and preparing a report on a DC shunt motor. So let's start. Here are the names of our group members: Tejas Mirga, Rohan Amgawat, Amit Shinde, Pranav Bhosle and Siddharth Padtare. So we will see the content outline. First, the introduction of DC shunt motor. Second, construction of DC shunt motor. Third, specification of DC shunt motor. Fourth, working of DC shunt motor. Fifth, application of DC shunt motor. Sixth, advantages and disadvantages of DC shunt motor. So first we will see the introduction of DC shunt motor. A DC shunt motor, also known as a shunt wounded DC motor, is a type of a self-excited DC motor where the field windings are shunted to or are connected in parallel to the armature winding of the motor. Since they are connected in parallel, the armature and field windings are exposed to the same supply voltages. Next point, construction of DC shunt motor. A DC shunt motor consists of an armature and field winding connected in a parallel to the supply and placed between north and south poles of the permanent magnet. It is due to magnetic repulsion and attraction that the rotor rotates. The DC shunt motor construction is the same as any type of DC motor. This motor can be constructed with the basic parts like field windings, a commutator and an armature rotor. This is the picture of the construction of DC shunt motor. We can see the motor constructions. So next point, specifications of DC shunt motor. A DC shunt motor, a type of self-excited DC motor where the field windings are connected in parallel to the armature winding of DC motor. They are connected in parallel. Field winding and armature winding same voltage, but total current is sum of armature winding current and field winding current. Next point, working of DC shunt motor. This working principle of a DC shunt motor is wherever a DC motor is turned on, then the DC flows throughout stator as well as the rotor. This current flow will generate two fields, namely pole as well as the armature. In the air gap between armature and the field shoes, there are two magnetic fields and they will respond with each other for revolving the armature. The commutator overturns the armature current flow direction at ordinary gaps, so the armature field is repelled with pole field for all time. It keeps revolving the armature within the equal direction. Next point, application of DC motors. These motors are used wherever stable speed is required. This kind of DC motor can be used in centrifugal pumps, lifts, weaving machine, lathing machine, blowers, fans, conveyors, spinning machines, etc. So the next point is we will see is advantages and disadvantages of DC shunt motor. So we will see the advantages of DC shunt motor. Direct current machines can use for heavy industrial applications where torque and speed wider range. Shunt wounded motor able to run at the predetermined speed. The power supply of DC motor is anyway cheap. Application of DC shunt motor. Disadvantage. Installation of DC machines is expensive compared with other types of machines. Since shunt motor are constant speed motor, it would be a disadvantage where it's necessary to operate under variable speed. DC motor are unreliable at low speeds operations. The size of DC motor is large compared with alternative current motors. Hope you like our presentation. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.